Okay, excuse my daughter's messy bedroom. And I don't really feel like this video will show its true brightness. However, I'm going to go through the settings. It would have been better, I think, to do it at nighttime too. But this is like a warm glow color. And then you have the bright lighting. You have night light setting, 50% light, and then back to the warm glow. It is a very bright light when I first turned it on after I installed it, which was very easy.
So I just installed this new light and I'm using the remote to turn it off. And my TV turns on. Now I use the TV remote to turn the TV off and the light goes.
Faith?